Good morning, everybody from China. Good morning, everybody. So today is Wednesday here in China, in Shenzhen. So I'm here with Master Liu. So today we're going to talk about how to, first of all, we're going to introduce a little bit about the configuration of M1 models. So secondly, we're going to talk about how to unlock 2020 to 2021 MacBook logic board. And also we're going to talk about how to upgrade MacBook Pro CPU i5 to i7. So this is what we're going to do, right? Okay, after that, we're going to have a QA time. So if you have any questions, you can leave the comments, your question, your comment area. So during the live stream, so we're going to also reply you guys. If we don't have enough time, so we're going to do this after the live stream. Not live stream, the explanation we're gonna give to you guys. So after the explanation, so we will talk about answer your questions. If we can answer now, it's better. If we don't, we can make any videos. We can answer maybe next live stream. So this is what we're gonna do. So let's get to the business. So first of all is Master is going to introduce the MacBook logic board configuration M1 models. Okay, that's your time. Okay, I just gave this one to you so you can have this one. Yeah.
Hello.
Let's go. HDMI. Okay, now this is your computer. So if you want to change to the right now? Okay. Okay, that's your time, man. Your time.
Yes. So yesterday finished the T2 model. Okay, in remove the EFI and the pin lock. So today we are talking about the M1 from the 2020. Okay, from the M1 and M1 Pro to about the M1 model. The activation lock, okay, for the activation lock. Activation lock, okay. Because this M1 model is the CPU different the T2, okay, to use the Apple CPU, not use the Intel, okay. From the T2 to use the Intel, but the M1, so the M1 chip is a different. T is the CPU, okay, and also the T2. Before the T2, also inside the M1, and the RAM in the memory, okay. All the CPU, T2, and the and the RAM, also the PCH, okay, the PCH. Together inside the M1 chip. So the M1 model, the serial number, also inside the M1 chip. Okay, so different. So remember, this one is a serial number. Okay, serial number also inside the M1 chip. So you want to change the serial number, you must replace the M1 chip. Okay, M1 chip. So M1 chip, but this one chip also together in the Wi-Fi, okay, Wi-Fi chip. So for example, you want to remove the activation lock and other lot, you must remove the M1 chip and the Wi-Fi, okay, Wi-Fi. Now I tell you how to install the DFU, the M1 model into DFU mode. Okay, T2 and the M1 compare the M1. Okay, you can see the T2 model into the DFU and the M1 model into the DFU. You want to restore the system. So now you can see that this one video first M1 model. M1 model you want to into the DFU. Yes, this one you see.
Let's start from the beginning. Okay, let's get started.
This is A22337. For example, you want to into the DFU to restore. Now remember, okay, this one is important.
So here?
No, the next one. Yes, the connector. So the wait. This is MacBook Air 2020 and 30-inch, A30-inch. You can see this connector, this one. The T1 model or T2 model, T2. Okay. In the left side, load this connector, but the M1 model, you must connect this connector. Okay, different. T2 connect this connector. M1 connect this connector.
Okay, T2 you connect to the red circle, the way in the red.
Yeah.
So this one for green.
This is M1.
M1, okay.
M1.
M1 we connect to with the green one.
Yes.
One, okay.
Like this one.
So
USB-C cable.
Okay, this is better, right? I just put it.
These are T2. Yes.
Here's
T2. These are M1.
So this one you can see this video. Okay.
Yes, these are different. So now you can see the this one the chart. This one, this M1. Yes, M1. A2337 and the A2338.
So this model is A2337, 2337. So this is the Mac we're gonna use
MacBook Air.
today.
Yes.
MacBook Air. Okay.
You connect this one.
Okay.
Connector into the DFU. This one.
You use this one.
Yes.
You use this one for just goes into the DFU mode. Okay.
And this one is about the T2.
This is the old generation. The old one. This model is A1989. A1989. Okay.
Yes, and these are connected. This T2. Connector. Yes, this connector. This
here.
One. Yes.
Okay.
Into the DFU.
So this one is M1. This one is T2. So this one is like old generation.
Yeah. So this is a T2 model. Okay.
So now it goes into the DFU mode.
Yes, DFU mode is different. And continue.
Let's continue with the video. Okay. Goes to the video. Goes to the video and let's get out.
Yes, use the USB-C cable.
Use USB-C cable.
Yes, connect to.
That port is for M1.
Yes, to the other MacBook model.
Okay.
The other MacBook.
You have to put like two together.
Yes.
MacBook together.
Okay, yes.
Perfect. Continue.
Then into the use this software.
You use the software.
Yes, this one.
Okay.
Apple configuration.
The Apple configuration. So this is the software.
Yeah, from you can download from the Apple Store.
I can download from Apple Store.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So let's continue.
Now you use the 3. Okay, now you must intrude the DFU. So now you clean the 4 keys, which
continue or
continue. Then you can see the 4 keys. Now, yes, start here. This one is important. Here you can see. Hold on the
control option and right shift and power button are 4 buttons together at the same time.
But you must 10 seconds, okay. Then you relay the keys. Okay, remember the 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Option, control, and option and the right shift and the power button. At the same time for 10 seconds. Only 10 seconds. Then you can into the DFU.
So 10 seconds we can
choose the 10 seconds to into the DFU.
So let's continue.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 seconds. Then you can see she can into the DFU. Now he into the DFU mode. Now he into the DFU mode.
So you can see here DFU.
Yes,
perfect.
DFU mode. So now you clean the restore. Yes. Select the restore. So the M1 model is a different T2. The M1 model, when you restore success, he can install the OS system. Install the OS system. So different the T2. T2 model, when you restore success, you must connect the Wi-Fi or connect the network to install the system. So these are different T2 model. M1, when you can see, clean the restore. Then
select restore.
Yes, clean the restore. Then when the restore
OS system from Apple official website.
Yes.
System download is complete. Search.
Yes. So now, when you restore success, now the Apple, you can see the Apple logo. This one. Now restore success. Restore success can so the OS system also install success. Then you can activate the OS system. Activation the OS system.
It's done.
Yes.
So correct.
Yes. So now you can see about the M1 model into the DFU. Into the DFU is a different T2 model. The connector also different. Connector different. Connector connect the different connector. And now I'll tell you how to remove the M1 model, the activation lock. Activation lock. Because of the M1 model, the serial number and T2, the RAM, also the PCH CPU together in the M1 chip. You can see these are M1 motherboard. M1 chip. These are M1. This one. M1, M2, M1, the chip is same. You can see these are.
This is the M1?
Yes, M1. This are Apple. You can see the Apple logo. This is M1 chip. This are M1 CPU, and this are memory. 1, 2 chips. So 8 GB or 16 GB, the memory is different. 8 GB or 16 GB is different. This motherboard is 8 GB. 16 GB is a different memory. You can see this CPU. So in the M1 motherboard, just the Wi-Fi. And this in the other side, this is a Wi-Fi chip. Wi-Fi chip. And this side is a NAND SSD.
So the
NAND trace.
M1 model is very simple.
Yes, and very small. You can see only the NAND and the M1 CPU and the Wi-Fi.
It's like everything is like integrated into one piece. So before they have like a lot of small components.
Before you have the
only one M1 chip, and it has the
Wi-Fi and AMD. You can see the other model T2 and the other model T have a lot of the trace outside. Yes. Not so you can see this one also the T2 model. I use the T2. This one. And for example, this motherboard. The trace are also different. Here have the CPU T2, CPU T2, and the NAND, NAND. In the other side, also have the Wi-Fi. This is a Wi-Fi chip and the memory in here.
So this is different. Check.
Yes.
So one is very simple. You have less component chips because the technology is getting advanced.
So now you can see you want to. Okay, so this one is about the M1 model. So M1 model, you want to remove the activation lock. Okay, you must remove which one chip? Replace the M1 chip. Okay, remember remove the M1 chip and the Wi-Fi chip and the M1 ROM here. Okay, M1 ROM. So sometimes the M1, for example, the M1 ROM, the data is damaged, or this chip is damaged. You can use the U-Box to read the ROM data, the M1 ROM data. So U-Box, you can read the ROM data, but cannot remove the activation lock. Okay, remember, you can see also have the activation.
So you reinstall the data is only for fix the problem. It's not to fix the. It's not unlock the activation lock. It's only fix the issue with the.
Fix the issue, and sometimes the M1 ROM data is damaged, so you can use
sometimes the data can be damaged. Okay.
You can see here this one. This one is a M1 model.
Okay, Mr.
You can see and see the M1 822.3 and 822 8 to 8 7 and 8. So also you can read this one to read the M1 ROM data. Okay, M1 ROM data. So remember the M1 model. You want to remove the activation lock. Okay, remove the activation lock.
So now we get to the. Okay.
Remove the activation lock. You must do this one to replace the. Okay, replace the M1 chip and and M1 ROM and the Wi-Fi. This one. To working motherboard or from the other motherboard, but you must show this motherboard no activation lock. Okay, so you can do it this one.
Okay. Just wait a second. I mean, if you want to remove the activation lock, so you have to replace all the M1 chip and M1 ROM and Wi-Fi, right? Okay. So here's the question. So if you want to remove the activation lock, you have to replace all those three pieces: M1 chip, and M1 ROM, and then Wi-Fi. So, and you have to make sure the anterior, I mean the M1 chip that you buy is without activation lock. So you have to make sure those three pieces is working and without activation lock. So you can replace it. So with this green box, wait a second. So with this green box we're talking about, it's not you cannot just like what we did for the old generations, just take off the chip and put it here, rewrite it, and then you put it back, so it's working.
Yes.
You can remove directly, but for this model, the new model M1, you have to replace all the 3 pieces. It's like iPhone. It's like what we're doing now with iPhone.
Yes. And also say, for example, you want to the Touch ID, you must buy the M1 to bring the fingerprint. So also, ID touch function, Touch ID.
If you want a Touch ID work, you have to buy a Touch ID as well. So like 4 pieces together.
Yes.
Okay. So this is the way you remove the activation lock.
Yes.
Or we can say cloud. Or now we call it cloud.
Yes, iCloud.
Okay.
Yes.
This is okay. Understand.
Yes, and this one can tell you the other. You can see A2. For example, this model A2337 and the A2338. This Air, MacBook Air. This one is the MacBook Pro. Okay, MacBook Pro. You can use the MacBook Air M1 and M1 the Wi-Fi to here, but the serial number you can into the system. Also, he said that this one is a MacBook Air. Okay, MacBook Air. So you can see the serial number inside the M1 chip. Okay, so for example, you repair the M1 ROM and the Wi-Fi from the MacBook Air motherboard to MacBook Pro. Then you into the system. Also, T display to MacBook Air. Okay, yes, because the serial number and all the information is a MacBook Air.
You mean the serial number? It's already like a written or like already integrated inside of the chip. So
yes, in the chip.
You use the chip of MacBook Air
to MacBook Pro.
Use the chip to the into the Pro. So when you restart the system, reboot the system, what you can see is MacBook Air. Even though you have the okay, understand. So even though you have the chip on the MacBook Pro, but you still show MacBook Air. So this is what you said.
Yes. Also the MacBook Air and the configuration is in the MacBook Air. Okay, no MacBook Pro.
The configuration is the same as the
Only
Air.
maybe
even though you put on everything on MacBook Pro.
Only the NAND, maybe the NAND configuration. For example, before is 200 or 500. So now also is 200, 500 because you only remove the M1 and this one chip, no remove the NAND, okay, the SSD, NAND. So NAND no important, okay, NAND no important.
So you don't have to. NAND you don't have. NAND is like this. It's like a hard disk. It's like this, right? A memory. It's like where you store the stuff. Okay.
Yes, right. So this one is about the M1 model. You want to remove the activation lock. Okay, remove the activation lock. So before the other people, he said he can bypass, but also not useful. Okay, sometimes he use the serial number to bypass the M1 model. Okay, M1 model, but when you restore sources, also maybe have the activation lock. So you want to remove, okay, activation lock, different bypass. Okay, this will remove. So remember to remove the M1 ROM and the Wi-Fi.
Okay, you said like a bypass. It's like another way to bypass. It's not directly remove.
Yes, not remove. Bypass is a different remote.
Okay.
Yes.
But now we're talking. We're
talking about the remote.
Activation lock. So you have to replace all the pieces, all the components. Okay.
And sometimes, for example, this M1 model, the only 5 voltage, okay, the motherboard, no boost to 20 watt, only 5 watt. All of the is M1 ROM. This one, M1 ROM data. Sometimes the M1 ROM data damage, also only the 5 voltage. Okay, only the 5 voltage. So you can read the M1 ROM data, or you can into the DFU mode to restore. Okay, remember to restore. Maybe you can success, but you must sure M1 the voltage must okay.
So you're talking about 5 voltage and 22 or something. You're talking about it's not the
no boost. Only the 5 watt, no power on or no display.
Power on. So you're talking about another function of this green box, the you're talking about another function. Okay, guys, he's talking about another function of this box. So you mean the MacBook doesn't doesn't boot,
doesn't display
power
no power
on.
Yes.
So, and you see it only shows on the power supply. You see it's only 5 voltage.
Yeah, it's only
5 voltage. So you can use this box to write
M1 ROM
or the data into the M1 ROM. So probably we can fix this problem. Because this is the first step we're gonna first action we're gonna take. Because if you take the problem is solved, perfect. We charge money. We charge the customer. We pay it into the pocket.
That's right.
So if it's not working, so we have to check
my M1 socket.
Okay, the other problems we're gonna keep searching. Okay, perfect. This is what I understood. Okay, guys. I hope you guys understood as well.
And now M1 model. Okay, M1 model is talking about this one. So how to upgrade the CPU? Okay, this one M1.
Okay,
it's
we goes to the from the analog, the both pin lock. Okay, you're talking about the theory. So we have we have talked about theory, but now we're talking about the. So later we have video to show them how to. Okay, perfect. Goes to the third topic. Is introduce how to upgrade MacBook Pro CPU i5 to i7. Okay, here we go.
可以放在那边的视频。你可以先放那边的视频。
Okay. 30 seconds.
So now, okay, I will talking about the.
We gotta clean up the board and you guys see the theory part of the third top.
Okay.
Now goes back to that. Okay.
Okay. You can see. Yes. From the talking about the upgrade the CPU. Okay, upgrade CPU. Okay, upgrade the CPU. For example, the CPU is i5 or to i7. Okay, i5. The i5 to i7, the CPU. Intel, okay, Intel the CPU. Intel CPU. M1 also you can upgrade, but the M1 is different. Only the configuration is different. So now talking about the Intel CPU from the 2010 to 2012. This one model. 2010 to 2012. You can only replace the. Okay, you only replace the CPU is okay. Only replace CPU. For example, before the motherboard is i5 or i3, you can only replace the CPU to i5 or to i7, then it can work. Okay, you can work. But from the 2013, okay, 2013 to 2017 or 2020. See, okay, 2017. Okay, I tell you the 2017 first. This one, the T1 model. Okay, before T1. From the 2013, 2017, you want to upgrade the CPU, or for example, i5 to i7. First one, you replace the CPU, right? You replace the change the CPU i5 to i7. But the second, okay, remember, you must write the BIOS data. Okay, BIOS data. Why you must rewrite the BIOS data? Okay, you can see this model 2010 2012 you only replace the CPU is okay, but from 2013 2017 you replace the CPU first, then you must write the BIOS data, because from this year, have the ME data inside the PCH. Okay, inside the PCH. So you can see you only replace the CPU, but the PCH you didn't replace. So the ME data is a change. One side ME data, one side in PCH, other side in the BIOS. Okay, so these are different. This model. Okay, remember. For example, you only replace the i5 to i7. T can display. Okay, display is normal, but very slow. Okay, can display, but very slow. Okay, and display very slow. Okay, very slow. Okay, very slow. So remember, you must read the BIOS data. Use the original BIOS data. Okay, because the ME is the original, then the T can into this system very fast. So now you can see that this video. Wait a moment, I tell you the T2 model. See the T1 model first. You can see this one video. I introduced the video. So from the 2010, 2013, 2017. Yes, this one. Yeah. Okay. And the first one.
It's from the beginning, right?
Yes, from the beginning. You can see this 2015 MacBook Pro. Okay.
Okay. Sorry.
This MacBook Pro. Yes, this is a MacBook Pro. Then you can see before is the i5. Okay, i5. Now you want to upgrade the i7. So shut down. Then remove the motherboard. Okay.
Power.
Okay, you can see it's 2015. Because from the 2015, also the PCH inside the CPU. Okay, PCH inside the CPU. So now you remove the CPU port. Okay, now remove the groove, the white groove, and then you can see this one. Clean the CPU. You can see the number before. Okay. You see the CPU. Okay, the i5. Before is the i5. This one. SR26K, and the i7 is the R26E. Okay, it's the number CPU inside the CPU. The number is different. Okay, the number is different. So now you use the BJ motion. You can see use the BJ motion. Okay, use the BJ motion to remove the CPU. Remove the CPU. But in the future, you don't need to use the BJ motion to replace the CPU. Okay, and use the other tools. Okay, and very fast to replace the CPU. In the future, maybe after the 2 months, you can use the other tool to replace the CPU. Okay, replace the CPU. You now when the CPU when the temperature. Okay, now you remove the CPU.
Tap the machine.
Yes, it's a BJ machine, but in the future, you don't need to use the BJ machine to replace the CPU, remove the CPU. I will do the other tool to replace the CPU. Okay, you can see now replace this one, clean the motherboard. Okay, clean the motherboard. Okay, and then now you can see this one is you can see this one you must configuration this one position. Okay, pin 1 to this one pin 1. Okay, this one pin, you can see here. This point is a pin 1. Here, pin 1 to connect the same position. Okay, remember. Then, but this one, for example, you have the BJ machine. You can do it. This one, the change the replace CPU. But in the future, you don't need to use the BJ machine. Okay. Now the pin 1. So this one. Okay, now I use this one to change. Okay. Solder bed to the CPU. You can see solder bed to CPU. Okay, when the temperature is okay, then CPU finish. Okay, CPU solder bed finish. So now let's use the BJ machine to replace the CPU. Okay, use the BJ machine. Also tell you the setting the temperature. Okay, setting the temperature. Now, install the motherboard back to the okay now. Okay, install replace the. You can see very slow to display. Now you can see very slow to display because now I only replace the CPU, no restore the, no write the BIOS data. You can see okay. You connect the power, okay, connect the power. Now you can see now I connect the power. Okay. But you can see the current. This one, this current, but the motherboard. Working current here. Okay, working. You can see motherboard is working, but the display very slow. Okay, display very slow here. Okay, very long time. Okay, very long time to display.
It takes a long time to show up the image.
No image. Very long time. You can see maybe the yes now is a display. Very long time. Maybe the 10 seconds or the 15 seconds or sometimes the 20 seconds can display. Okay, can display. So now, why this one very slow? Because before I tell you, the BIOS data is different. Okay, so now tell you how to solve this one problem.
It takes a really long time, huh?
Very long time. A long time, maybe the 10 minutes or 10 seconds or the 15 or the 20 seconds. Now you can see also into the system, very slow. Okay, into the system. Okay, so remember from the 2013, you okay find the BIOS sheet. This one. Okay. Okay, these are BIOS sheets. This one. Okay, you can see the data is AMB. Here right is 64. 64. So the data is AMB. Okay, AMB. So this is a BIOS sheet. Now the next one. Find this one. Use the air gun to remove the BIOS sheet. Okay, now you remove the.
So I have to remove the BIOS chip.
Then clean this one. Use the U-BIOS to write the original BIOS data. Okay, original BIOS data.
Okay, I upgrade from i5 to i7 chip, so I have to take off the BIOS chip and rewrite to the data.
Yes, original data.
Pin 1 is the position. That's why it shows the position pin 1.
Yes.
So they always have like a small dot on it. It shows the position pin 1.
Yes. Now you select the model because this model is A1502. So you find the A1502 here. Yes, and see the motherboard number. It's 4929.
This is the model from the
bottom
i7.
case. Yeah, yes.
The i7 chip, right?
Sure,
Because I upgrade to i7 chip, so I have to use the
i5 to i7.
Data of i7. The new data.
Yes,
have to replace it.
Yes, original data.
Rewrite, replace it.
So now, when you write down, yes, so the batch run the bloodstream.
It's not easy.
Yes. So maybe difficult is the BJ motion. Yes, you must. It's very big.
Expensive.
Yes. Well, in the future, I use the other tools.
So in the future, you are developing, or you're gonna find something.
Yes, I product the tools. You don't need to use the BJ motion. Yes, so very easy to upgrade the CPU or replace the CPU or replace the GPU, replace the PCH. Also very easy. So now you can see you write the data, but the serial number, no serial number. You can see the serial number. Serial number, cannot see the serial number is no use. So now how to add the serial number? Okay, now you continue. See how to add the serial number. You see the serial number. And now to use this one USB.
So this is the function of this tool.
To upgrade, you can see connect to your an ocean. Okay, let the ocean here. Connect the USB. You see the serial number is okay, so now you use the USB to add the serial number. Now you can see display. Okay, display is fast, but the serial number into the system very fast. Okay, into the system very fast.
Now we fix the problem of the slow.
Yes,
it's very slow, so we fix the issue.
Yes.
So now we have to add the serial number.
Yes, serial number, because you want to download the software and the other you must use the serial number.
It's like you have to have your ID. It's like I have to have my ID to travel.
Send the ID.
Because if I don't have any ID, I cannot travel, man. It's like my passport.
Yeah, that's right. So now use this one USB to connect to the MacBook. Then you clean the ocean. Okay, clean the ocean. Power on, clean the ocean. Yeah, clean the ocean. This one. Okay, select the USB-C system. Clean the ocean. Then you select this one. Yeah. Okay, BBS. Okay.
BBS. Okay.
Yes, this system. To select the language. Then add the serial number. You can see you add the serial number. You want to add which one serial number? Then you can use the serial number. And now, as the serial number is finished, and into the system, you can see the serial number. Short.
As soon as we add to the serial number, it goes back to the system. We can see the serial number on it. Okay.
Yes.
Perfecto. ¿Qué más? What else? So we replace the CPU. We then BIOS chip, because we have to rewrite the data.
Yes,
So
right.
after that, we have to add the serial number.
Yes.
With this green box. So this is the stuff. Okay. So first of all, we replace the i7, i5 to i7 because we're using the BG machine. So then we have to take off the BIOS chip and we have to write the data, the new data. I mean the data from the i7. We have to write it. Then we have to add the serial number.
Yes. This one is the last one.
The BIOS we're using this machine, the green box, right? The green box. This is a green box. We write a BIOS, right?
Yes.
Then we have to use this tool. I mean this USB to add serial number.
Yes.
Okay, guys, this is the whole process to upgrade. 3 steps, right?
Yes. Only 3 is can
3
finish.
steps.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Then we finish. We can upgrade from i5 to i7. Okay. What's the next?
So the next is activation lock, EFI lock, and the same. Okay, remove the EFI. So now this one today about the talking about the remove and the upgrade is finished. So you can have the question about the MacBook motherboard.
Okay. I'm gonna have this and ask my questions. I'm gonna because I'm here, so it's better for me to ask him some questions here. I think I'm gonna let's go to the board. Okay. So first of all, we have talked about the desbloquear como unlock MacBook Logic Board M1, right? Yeah. So the M1, what we have to do is like, give me a second. I'm gonna make it better here too. I think. Give me a second. Put it here. I think it's better. Like this. Like this is better. Okay. So M1, what we have done? M1, what we have done is like you have to replace the M1. Yes. You have to replace. I remember it's like a few pieces, right? M1 and a Wi-Fi, and there is the ROM, M1 ROM. Okay, what I have to remember is like I have to replace the M1 chip, the main chip. I have to replace the M1 ROM. I have to replace the Wi-Fi. If I want to the touch working, I have to also replace the fingerprint. So 4 pieces. So there is no way it's like what we have done with the old generation. So we just remove the T1 or T2, just put into this green box and rewrite the data and we can use it. This is like we have done with the old generation. So with the new generation, so we have to replace all the chips. Yes. Okay, this is what I understood from your training. Okay, from so this is today I've learned. Okay, the second thing is that we have the third topic. Okay, third topic is about from the i5 to i7. So I want to repeat because you guys, it's like you're sitting in front of a screen. It's kind of hard for you guys to understand because you're via the cable and this signal is not that easy for you guys. So I always want to repeat to make sure you guys can learn something from here and also can benefit from here. Okay, so the i5 to i7, so I have to use the BJ machine. Okay, but the BJ machine is big and expensive, so you have solution. You have solution in the future. Okay, perfect. So then you have to rewrite you have to take off the BIOS chip, take it off, and you have to rewrite the data. Okay, write data. Perfect. You put it back, but the rebooting system, I mean the process is very slow. Yes. So then we have to solve this issue. Because the M1, the M1, you can see right here, M1 from the 2013 2017. Inside because they have I don't understand what is ME, what is PCH, but I'm gonna later I'm gonna search. So because of that issue very slow, so I have to rewrite the BIOS data. Yes, and the last one I forget to tell you
T2. Okay.
No, you cannot forget, man. You have to repeat.
For example, yes, this is about 2018, 2020. Okay, the T2 model. You want to upgrade the CPU. Okay, for example, you want to upgrade the i5 to i7 or T2 model. The i5 to i7, or sometimes you want to i9 CPU. Also, the method right here. The one replace the CPU. Okay, replace.
But can I replace i5 with i9?
Yes.
I mean, I can. For example, I have i5, but someday I bought like i9 for somebody. They said it's for a very cheap price.
i5 to i9 is only the 18 inch or the 16 inch. Okay, the 13 inch only the i7. Okay, different. 13 inch MacBook Pro 13 inch only the i5 to i7. For the i5, the 15 inch or 16 inch, you can from the i7 to i9.
Okay. Let me ask you. For 13 inch, I mean the most powerful CPU for old generation,
yes.
I can upgrade to i7.
Yes.
So for the 15 and the 16 inch, the premium models, because those are like kind of expensive, right? The big models, I can like upgrade from i5 to i9. So this is that right?
Yes, right.
Because you have the bigger the bigger model.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
The CPU, the 15 inch or the 16 inch, you can upgrade to this one.
i9.
Yes, only the i5 to i7. Okay, so now first one you replace the CPU. Okay, replace the i5 to i7. Replace the CPU, i5 to i7. Okay. And the number two. Okay, number two is about you must into the DFU. Into DFU mode to restore. Okay, remember restore. Okay. Because for example, you only replace the CPU, no into the DFU restore. Also, sometimes the display is low, and sometimes the internal system is low. So you can enter the DFU mode to restore. Okay, restore, then you can display very fast and enter the system very fast. So this one, the T2 model and the before the different. This one you must write about data, and this one you must enter the DFU to restore.
It's like T2, like it's from 2018, from 2020. It's like newer. It's like it's not that far away from us. Okay, it's not that far from us. So the new generation, because it's new, is more like more advanced. So you know, Apple would here they always like put more difficulties for those technicians. So for T2, you have to enter TFU mode first to restore. Then
yes, restore success. Then you can enter the
okay, let's say the first step you have to replace the CPU, then DFU, then
finish.
The finish.
Yes.
Then you don't have to take off. You don't have to take off the BIOS chip.
Yes.
You just use you use the green box or what we are using.
This one no use.
You don't have use.
You upgrade to.
You only connect with another MacBook. Then goes into the DFU mode. Then just
then you install. Then
reinstall it.
Yes, connect the Wi-Fi or the network to install the system.
Are they easier?
Yes.
For new models, it's easier. For the old generation, it's like more difficult. Okay, I'm sorry. I was wrongly blamed Apple for that. But Apple actually has made this easier for us. Okay, sorry guys.
Yes. So about this one. So now you have the question about the motherboard repair. You can ask me.
I have a question.
Okay.
I mean, for 15 inch and a 16 inch, sometimes they have i5 process, right?
No. On 15 inch and
15 inch and 16 inch, they only have i7. There is no extension.
Yes, this one only the i7, so you can upgrade.
Are you from i7 to i9? Okay, okay. I was thinking probably have like 15-inch or 16-inch, but with i5. So probably because I buy a lot of those scrap, those big, sometimes it's broken. I probably can replace the chip from i5 to i7. Then it's okay. It's only upgrade from i5 to i7 and from i7 to i9. So this is what I understood. Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
I don't have any more questions. I don't know if you guys in front of the school can help. Is there any comments in Spanish? You need any help or only everything in English? Maybe we can see a little bit.
Yes.
Let's have some music and let me check what kind of. Some music. Let's see if you have comments here. You can check any comments here. Thank you for sharing, and it's perfect. We don't have any.
About the
Translate to Indonesian, coach. Sorry, man. Indonesian. What kind of language you guys speak? I don't know, man. I only know Filipino. They speak Tagan. I don't know in Indonesian.
Yes, about the MacBook repair problem, or you can ask me how to. Okay, you can tell you how to repair the MacBook motherboard.
They have two from the. So they have this video. We talked this before. Teach them how to from the IG to EG, from EG to IG.
Next one,
Next one, okay.
Yeah, next one, maybe the next month, and then we're talking about how to do one. Yes. So today I will tell you the M1 to remove the actuator and how to upgrade the CPU. Okay, the other we'll tell you in the next month and the other. And any about the MacBook repair the problem. For example, the liquid damage, or the so about the MacBook repair problem.
They probably don't have any. They sometimes they have problems. They have issues that come to because now they don't have. So, but anyway, we have explained to them the the issues that upgrade from i5 to i7 or from i7 to i9, from the generation from 2018 to 2020, and also the old generation is from is before the 2018. I think they have learned from our live stream, and also we have explained about the analog. So the M1 analog is not easy. You have to replace all the pieces, all the components that we have talked about. It's like 4 or 5 pieces, 4 pieces. I think it's like a CPU, is a ROM. It's like Wi-Fi. Is also the fingerprints. 4 pieces. It's not easy work, man. It's like for me, it's like only okay. We have ions. There I have fast funds thing. You cannot get an internet recovery flow. So when the progress bar goes to the question mark. You hold up, you see Mac installed.
Yes. You see the fan, the fast. Yes, right. And what was the problem before? Is liquid damage?
Maybe we shut on the music. Shut on music. You can probably come over here. Can you see that and come over here too? I think. Okay, I don't know if you can. I don't know if you guys can see Master Liu. Okay, he's there. Okay. Yeah, anyway, he's there.
Yes. And no liquid damage, right? You see the fan and very fast.
Fan rise like very fast, man.
Because the fan, for example, you connect the power, the fan very fast. So maybe the control the fan, the socket have a problem. Okay, control the fan. Okay, have the problem. And Next one, for example, you can see I open the schematic. You can see the schematic.
You want a schematic? Okay, let's go to the schematic. It's number. You see this one. It's not. It's HDMI. Oh, this is HDMI. Yeah, this is HDMI. Yeah, this one. Yeah, the same one.
No, it's okay.
It's okay. It's perfect. But you have to change the channel so they can see your screen.
Open the.
No, you haven't. No, you cannot see there. You have to see here, man. No, see here, man. Yes, now it's okay. It's okay, man. You have to check here. Don't check over there. They're like a few second retraso.
So now you can see the fan. When you connect the power, the fan very fast. Okay, you must check which one about the I'll open this one. The fan socket. Okay, about the fan socket. Sometimes the tire. You can see, for example, this model, right? A1707, A1707. The fan, you find the fan connector from the now open the schematic. Because the fan, remember the fan is the SMC control. Okay, UEFI 1000 is about the SMC. Okay, SMC. Here is the SMC. Okay, SMC to control the fan. So which one? Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Control the this is SMC sensor. Okay, this is sensor. So you copy this name to find the fan. This one here. Okay, so here. Fan connector. Okay, fan connector. This one. To connect so sometimes a lot of problem is this one. You must check this one change and this one. For example, this one and this one, you check is a normal. It's a normal, and you must sure the voltage is 3.3. Okay, 3.3. Connect. You can see PP 3.3 S0 to this one. Then to control this MOSFET. MOSFET, this voltage, okay, to the fan connector. Okay, to the fan connector. This left L is a left side because she have the two connector. You can see left and straight, okay, and right, left and right, two sides. This control the right connector. Okay, so you must show which. Sometimes just the left this side, the fan very fast, so the problem from here. Sometimes this one is very fast, so the problem from this side. Okay, so you must show which one problem.
Enter check the voltage, right?
Enter the voltage. Enter this Q600 or Q6050. Okay, this is the first one. You must show the fan, the voltage is normal. Okay, and mostly is normal. The second is about the temperature. Okay, sometimes about the temperature have the problem. Also the fan very fast, so you must show the temperature. About the CPU temperature and the RAM and the other sensor the temperature. Okay, sensor the temperature have the problem also. You must check. And you say the what problem? It says, yes, SMC is the last one here, right? SMC, because SMC to control the fan. Okay. You say in the few times, then the two fan is very fast, right? So the problem is about the temperature sensor, not from the fan socket. Okay, about the temperature sensor. So you must check the temperature sensor. Okay, you can see temperature sensor is about the TMP. You can search this one. Temperature sensor. Okay, about the temperature sensor here. Find the temperature sensor, the socket. SMC, you can see SMC sensor the sometimes the trackpad, and the temperature have the problem. Also, this one page, okay, you can see page 80. The very fast, okay, and very fast. So it's about the temperature sensor. Which no, one page 19. Find the temperatures and the which find this one about the no this one. This is PMUIC. This CPU. Find the CPU temperature sensor. This one from the here. UEFI. Here. Okay. So this page about the temperature sensor. Okay, this sensor the CPU, and the other SMC and the CPU temperature here. So you must sure 1, 2, 3. This Q5A7 this one 1, 2, 3 is normal. Okay, you can see here temperature sensor. Okay, this is about the setting the temperature have the problem. No, not only check all the temperature sensor, only check this one before. You can see I tell you what the CPU temperature sensor did check, and 1, 2, 3. Sometimes this one missing or this one missing, so temperature the fan very fast. For example, you check this one, and this IC also normal, so you must replace the SMC. Okay, replace the SMC. Understand?
All temperature sensor need to be checked then? Do you have to check all the sensors? Or only check like one first, then check another one?
Yes.
You don't have to check them all?
Yes, check this one and check this one. So.
Okay, check the Q, 5871, and the other side is
temperature.
58 to 70, R58 to 70.
And the memory, yes.
And this memory proximity, the thermal diode memory proximity, check here. So check, make sure the temperature is all okay. All right. Okay. Let's ask see if they have any more questions here. Kyle, can you hear us? Is everything okay? It says both fun are fast within a few minutes. Both boost. It's like when it boots. Then both fun was very fast.
Yes.
Spins very fast.
Yes. Because she sensor the temperature. Yes. Okay. So and the other friends have the other question.
On my side, no, but I don't know about Kyle. If you have any more questions, probably you can just write Master Liu directly. I think you can write to the inbox. Okay. Or you still have the issue, and probably we can. I think it's directly. Okay, let's see. Kyle, what is? Can this issue be related to not being able to access internet recovery?
Internet recovery?
Can this issue be related to not being able to access internet recovery? You
said which one model? You said before use the fan very fast, right?
The same model.
Same model?
Yeah. 它这个是不是跟那个相关的，就是不能够接入到 Internet recovery 有关的，是跟它相关。
Okay, this one no impact because
He said it's not related. He said it's not related. It's something. It's like
because your fan very fast, so very slow. You must slow the fan very fast to first. Yes, repair the fan very fast first.
Okay, the issue is the fan spins very fast. Then you have to fix this problem first.
Yeah,
first the things first. First things first.
Yes, because the very slow.
Then you make it back to normal. This is the first thing, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And he already explained and how to fix the this fast. I mean, this problem when the fan spins so fast. So you already explained how to fix this issue. Okay. Okay, guys. I think today the QA.
Yes. Maybe the next one. Well,
next week.
Yes. Next week. Sorry.
Next week we cannot have 4 days vacation in China. We have this Dragon Boat Festival. We have Dragon Boat Festival. Like we have like 4 days off. So from tomorrow, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, then we come back on Monday. So that's why okay. He has more. When the internet recovery finishes, loading the progress bar disappears within question mark.
Yes. This one.
When it finishes question mark. So what's the issue?
This one no recognize the NAND. So you must check the NAND, the SSD, the voltage. Okay, SSD voltage.
You have to check SSD voltage. SSD is memory, right? So that the disco duro, hard disk.
Yes.
NAND. Okay. It's where they store the
voltage. Okay. And sometimes the NAND have the problem, also have this one no installer system. Okay, all of this one model. But you must show the voltage. Okay, voltage is normal. Okay, so
you have to make sure the voltage is normal.
Yes. So the NAND voltage.
Check the voltage of the NAND. So make sure that the voltage is normal. So this is okay. Even though you can see the drive partition, see the drive partition holding option. I don't understand this question, but I think he understands.
Yes. You can use the drive USB-C drive but for example the NAND. Normal. You use the USB drive also cannot into the recovery mode. Okay, recovery mode. You must show the NAND, the voltage and NAND is normal. Then you can install use the USB-C driver to install the recovery mode. So,
okay, what time is it? Kyle, is everything okay, Kyle? Okay, you go ahead and check the MacBook. Go ahead and check the MacBook you have. If you have any questions, you just leave a comment to Liu or the inbox, right to his inbox, okay? And I don't know if there are any Chinese fans over there. If you have Chinese fans, okay, Kyle. If any Chinese fans over there and a happy Dragon Boat Festival, and also for the people all over the world and the same. Okay, everything else is here. Okay, let's go back to number 1. Okay, perfect. Goes here. Okay, let's say goodbye to guys. Okay, guys. I hope today we have learned something together. And this video you can go back and check and on the Facebook, and also we're gonna upload to YouTube channel as well. If you want to go back and check anytime you want. And we're gonna keep doing this. I mean, the live stream and sometimes and also more videos to explain more the product and also the those issues. It's like maybe in the future we're gonna do like a free tutorial. We have talked about a tutorial, but tutorial sometimes is boring and it takes time. But we're gonna check what we can do and give you guys some of the real shit. And yeah, this is all the the things, all the stuff that we wanted to talk, and we have finished it. And yeah, that's it. Okay, guys, have a good vacation for the guys from China, and see you guys next week.
Okay, next week.
Bye.
See you. Bye bye.